Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nubia Z60S Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find system and update. Then let's tap on date and time, and here we've got some options which are currently inactive, which is because we are using the automatic options. So let's first of all tap on those switchers to turn them off, and now we can freely tap on date and choose the date just by using the swipe option. Let's tap on OK. The same situation with the time, confirm it with OK, and it will be immediately applied. You can also change the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here you've got the full list of available ones, so find yours and tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. Here you can also decide what kind of time format you want to use, so just turn off this option and you can use either 12-hour format or 24-hour one. So if you'd like to get back to the automatic options, simply tap on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.